Today we talk about how can you face this problem or know how you can do that on your trial lineup. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and here you search or looking for try lineup, or just click on search, then here at try lineup, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here, click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just restart your phone, install it again, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.